Welcome my fellow vibers, and if you're new, hi, my name is Lauren. What's up? Alright guys, so today on this amazing unboxing Tuesday, I will be unboxing my late Valentine's Day gift from my boyfriend, my deep fryer. I don't know you're gonna be like, deep fryer? Don't worry, this is not the only gift he gave me. I really wanted a deep fryer. Don't ask why, I just love fry food. I just love cooking. I love baking. I love it all. So Gordon Ramsay. Can we stop? Yes, this is my deep fryer. Look how big it is. And we will be unboxing it. It's not that heavy. And I would have expected it to be more heavier. But, you know, you can't judge a book by its cover. Okay. I'm not sure how much it cost. The one that I got was $50. The one that I want was $53. And I think this is the same one. But I know it was out of stock for a bit. So I don't know if he got me a different one. But it doesn't even matter because I want a deep fryer anyways. But let's get into this unboxing, guys. Okay. Full close up on the whole thing. Okay. Don't it look kind of nice? Don't it look kind of nice? Big unboxing. Okay, we're gonna start from, I don't know, they got this tape pretty good. Really good. If you are under the age of, I don't know, what is the age of those last scissors? If you're under the age of 10, make sure you have an adult. Okay. A box inside of a box. Isn't that amazing? We love when we have boxes inside of boxes, don't we, guys? Secura 4L deep fryer with timer extra filter. Okay, awesome, cool. Opening it. Gosh. If I find out there's another box inside of here, I might lose my mind. Oh. Well, I won't be repackaging that no time soon. Awesome. It's the one I wanted. Okay, so this was like $53. If the price do go up, it's not my fault because when they bought it, it was $53. Okay, because it was on sale. Alright, 4L fryer with timer. Okay, look at all that good stuff you can fry. Like, oh, you can't tell me that don't look good. The shrimp look kind of green. Stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. Lovely customer bonus. You have selected and received a free bonus on VIP exclusive. Please visit www. Oh shoot. We're gonna just throw stuff on the floor at this point. I thought it would be bigger, but I'm actually happy with the size I got. As long as it's small and it's travel size and I can fit it anywhere, I'm actually happy. So cute, it's so tiny and cute. I'm actually really happy with what I got. Okay, so I moved the camera up so you guys can see the inside more. Okay, so it has this tongue. I can't get the other one out. Two baskets, so I can dump two at one. I really thought this was actually be bigger. I'm actually happy that it's really smaller because it's really good for me. Okay, so one basket. Oh, three baskets. Okay, two. And if I want to fry something all the way big, oh man, that's cool. I love it. Oh, you don't understand how happy I am, guys. Okay, so this can go. This is the plug. And it's actually a small plug, so this thing you need to like keep close to something. That's fine. Let me get if I can get the box out, that'd be great. Like, I don't want to fry the box. Okay, I got it out. wonder what that's from. Okay, the inside, fairly good. I think you can remove this. Okay, you can. Well, if I knew that, I would have been removed it instead of freaking hurting myself with that box. Okay. This part, I think it can come out. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So is this really a box inside of a box? Cool. And here's the little tray that you will put all your grease in. All of it. Over this. Let's go over these buttons. Okay, so I can turn the temperature all the way up, and it has all the different temperatures. And I think they're both the same temperature for all of them. No, actually this is a timer. Oh, the timer actually worked. Oh shit, that was my accident. Oh my god, hold on. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have my deep fryer right here, and I'm ready to finally use it. This is how the inside look. And I will be frying some, oh gosh, French fries today. Alright, so I'll be using the small baskets. Those French fries, I don't know what the portion I want will fit in one, but it depends. I'm gonna see, because I'm really like a fat person, but we're gonna do. Okay. I have my thing number 1, thing number 2. I'm gonna show you how to put them on. So, because I just figured it out too. Okay, so at first I was thinking like it will go right here. It does not. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna make sure you squeeze it in between this part, and then make sure it gets into the holes. Like this. Look. I'm gonna show you guys again. You're gonna squeeze. Make sure it goes inside the slidey part. Make sure it goes in between the holes and locks in like that. Alright, so we're gonna fill our thing with the oil. But it did say to take, we're gonna be using canola oil today. It did say to take a little paper towel, put a little oil on it, and wipe the lid, just to prevent it from fogging up and stuff. So that's what I just did. Alright guys, so we're in the inside of the thing. I'm just wanting to show you this real quick. On the inside, I know you're probably like, oh, I don't know how much oil to put into it. I'm scared. What do I put too much? Must I put too little? Right here, these 2 lines. The bottom one is min and the top one is max. That's where you put it. So the direction says to make sure you put it in the middle of it. So like right in the middle of this will be perfect. If you go beneath minimum, you might get yourself hurt and you might damage the machine. If you go above max, you might hurt yourself and break the machine. So that's why it's like go in between. It's always best. Alright, so it's time to plug my thingy thing in. Well, I don't really need to take that out, so I'm gonna plug it in right here. And then whatever this outlet is, the outlet's in the back. Alright guys, I have to turn on the lights because it was starting to get dark outside. So I'm gonna pour my oil in first. I already have the thing plugged in. Oh, I'm scared. So like I said, I'm gonna be doing French fries. So the French fry temperature is 375 and 18 for 18 minutes. Oh no, 6 to 10 minutes. Okay, so I got it to turn on and now it's finally preheating. Okay, so what I did was focus. Focus. Okay. So I set the timer to the 375 for the French fries, And you have to put the timer on too. That makes it turn on. I just set it to a random time. Cause I think it's supposed to be 10 minutes for it. But I'm just waiting for the thing to preheat first. So then, I guess they want me to, I guess it wants me to put it on the time that it's supposed to be. It was like 10 minutes anyways. And then I have to, I'm gonna start putting the french fries in the basket, which I'll see. And then I guess I have to put it in there. The instructions aren't really that helpful when it comes to that, but it's fine. Okay, so I guess it's time to put it in. I'm going to take my basket. I'm gonna record it too. Thing isn't deep enough. Look. So one thing I don't like about it is that it's like that. Let me set the timer. Again, back to 10 minutes. So one thing I don't like is that it doesn't go deep like a deep fryer is supposed to. But this is fine with me though. That's fine with me. Hey guys, so it's about to be finished. It's literally at whatever that line is. It's about to go off. Like it's right there. And I'm excited a little. I mean I had like fried french fries. Don't get it twisted, but I never had like deep fried french fries. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be like really a difference or nothing. But we'll see. We'll be the test of that. I'm excited. But it do steam up a lot though. If that's one of your concerns of like safety or anything, it does, like, you can see the smoke like flare up, but it's not as bad as you think. But yeah, this is really for people who know how to fry food. Really, it's like, if you don't say, like, you don't know how to fry food, then that's not for you really. But it's actually really something fun to have in your house. But it do require a lot of grease, so make sure y'all stack up on y'all oils and stuff, because it requires a lot of oil. I'm making sure I got my glovey glove things, because this thing is hot. I plan on leaving the fries to like sit there and drain out a bit. Let it sit and drain out. I like how it's like this. Like, you see, this is where you will hook your thing on and let it all drain out. I'm not looking forward to cleaning this grease and this thing, but I have to. And then I'm gonna show y'all my little meal I got planned. Alright, so I'm gonna be putting my favorite barbecue sauce in the whole entire world, Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Salt. Yes, I'm one of those people. Alright guys, this is really a first for me. I don't really stand up in my videos, but you know what? I'm trying to stand up, get this food down, digest it, you know. But anyways, I definitely rate this deep fryer a 9 out of 10. It's really high on my scale, really. Only a 9 out of 10 because that it was like the whole thing was kind of confusing on how to turn it on. Because when I when I first like turned it on to the 375, it didn't do nothing. But when I put the timer on, it did something. Like, that's the only thing with me. And I mean, the instructions were good. It was really good. And that is not like a deep fryer, like it goes underneath the oil, but it does its job though, so that's why it got as high as it did. But would I recommend you to buy it? Of course. I'm leaving it down in my description below, the one that I got. I'm not sure if it's in stock right now, but if it is, whenever you're watching this video, make sure you buy it because it's a very good price. Amazon has a whole bunch of deep fryers, and this company makes like a whole bunch of different stuff. So I'm telling you, this company is amazing. I love it so much. I'm very appreciative to my boyfriend who got it for me. That's amazing. But anyways, I'm rambling. My food was amazing. Well, after the frying, you know, you can always, when you're frying food, you can always taste the fry part of it, like the grease and stuff in it. But it actually did a job because I didn't taste it as much, but it was great. Like, there's some good Chinese french fries, like some good McDonald's french fries, like them good french fries you get at the restaurants, girl. I'm saying. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video off now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. Check my recent content. Check my other content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. We're gonna run the 5K and run the 5K, run the 10K, run the 100,000K. And I can't get there without your help. So tell your friends, tell your family, tell your mama, tell your sister, tell your brother, tell your cousin, tell your auntie, tell your whole entire family to hit that subscribe button, guys. Because what kind of support system are we doing here, vibers? I'm like looking like all bad and stuff. Just for y'all, because y'all like my family. Like, come on now. But anyways, guys, if you're not vibing with me, I don't know what you're doing. Bye!